So I gotta remember. I'm holding it wrong. Left. Skip a note. Or is it skip a note, skip a note, skip a note. And then bloop. Like that. And then I gotta go here, here, and here. Now I gotta remember, I don't have to push this one because pushing this one pushes this one. So I go boop, 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 boop. And we go. And now we do our best to learn to play the frickin' flute. It's very hard. But I suspect if you know how to whistle, you know how to play a sound in the flute. The trick is learning to put that whistle into the flute, and that's not as easy as it sounds. So here we go. I'm getting better. And remember, PMP, practice makes perfect. Be a pimp. Okay, so a couple of things. I'm noticing I'm really, really struggling to get that breath out. But I do get that breath out correctly sometimes. And it's proving to be my antithesis at this point. I think with lots of daily practice, I can really manage to get this done. But right now, I clearly suck. Thank you for watching.